Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to install SuperCode and connect with the Unreal Engine 5.8 using the MCP server. Okay, let's go. Okay, first go here to this instructions you can get on the description. First, let's install SuperCode using this command. Okay, hit copy and go down right here, command prompt, paste. Before we install this command, we must install, download and install Node.js to work. Okay, after that, hit enter. Okay, fine. Now, add this command, SuperCode. Okay, highlight this one, press Ctrl C and paste it right here. You have to log in to our SuperCode. Open browser automatically, yes. Hit continue. Okay, approve device, approving device approved successfully. Now I am in SuperCode. I am connected to SuperCode. After that, once it's connected, okay, after that, just run SuperCode. Okay, the next thing I want to do is to add this command, SuperCode init. Okay, it's scanning workspace right now. Okay, fine. The installation of SuperCode, we are finished this step. Now let's move to the next step. Okay, close this right now and close this. And now let's open the editor. Okay, select new project. Go game, select third person as template and rename the project. What do you want? After that, hit create. Okay, now let's move to the next step. Is to go here to edit plugins, search for MCP, enable MCP client toolset, hit yes, Unreal MCP, search for editor toolset. This plugin enable it. The final one is terminal. Click here to terminal, hit yes. Okay, now you have to restart, click this button, restart now. Okay, fine. Close this window and go here to editor preferences, search for ModelContextProtocol, MCP, select this auto start server, enable it, and go down to terminal. Startup commands, click this plus button 3 times. After that, go right here and we have to add those here. The first one, highlight it, copy. Okay, for the second one, we have to add those cd/d paste project path here. How to do that? First, let's go here, content drawer, choose any folder from those, and show in Explorer, go here to Unreal projects. Okay, go right here, go here and copy this path. After copying this path, return here to editor preferences, make cd/d, and we have to copy our path. This is the path of our project. Okay, yes, we have to make it like this. Now, go here to SuperCode init, copy, paste it right here, and save all. I think we are done for this step. Close this. Reopen the Unreal Engine project. Now go to CMD, make sure it's CMD is selected. Output log, and copy this one, configuration. That allows you to create MCP JSON file in the directory of our project. As you can see, this is my MCP JSON file. It's created. Now let's start the server. How to start the server? We have to copy this command and hit paste. Okay, all listeners started. My server works fine. Now let's test our supercode. We have to go here to tools, search for terminal. Okay, as you can see, my supercode is run it automatically. It's scanning our workspace. Okay, to use the Unreal Engine MCP with supercode, you must change this chat mode to agent mode. How to do that? We have to press tab here, down 2 times to change this to agent mode. Okay, we wanna use this DeepSeek v4. Let's test it. For example, let's generate red cube in the project. Okay, start thinking. Okay, as you can see, you hit your daily limits. Okay, let's change the agent. Slash model. I want to choose this honey one. Okay, yes. Okay, let's do the same thing. Okay, I want to generate red cube. The same thing. Okay. As you can see, this is supercode. I used it one time previously, but it's not works. It's connected with the MCP server with the Unreal Engine 5.8, but the problem it doesn't do anything. I don't recommend you to use supercode with the Unreal Engine 5.8. Okay, thank you guys for watching this or for this tutorial.